Streamlining your contract process from start to finish is now easier than ever with Pandadoc. Let's dive into how you can send over contracts for review and signature in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to either upload an existing contract document or create a new one directly within Pandadoc. This could be an agreement, a proposal, or any document requiring a signature. Once your document is loaded, the real magic happens. You'll want to add essential fields for your recipient. This includes signature blocks, text fields for information, and any other data you need collected. Pandadoc makes it incredibly intuitive to drag and drop these fields onto your document. Next, it's time to add your recipients. Simply input their names and email addresses. You can even assign them specific roles or specify the order in which they should review and sign if you have multiple parties involved. Pandadoc offers powerful options to customize your delivery. You can set due dates to ensure timely execution, and even enable automatic reminders to nudge your clients. If the contract is still pending, this proactive approach minimizes delays. Before you hit send, take a moment to review everything. Check the document for accuracy, confirm the recipient details, and ensure all fields are correctly placed. Once you're satisfied, click the Send button. And just like that, your contract is dispatched. With Pandadoc, you gain full visibility. You can track the exact status of your contract, whether it's been viewed, is in progress, or is fully executed. This transparency is crucial for effective contract management. This comprehensive guide ensures your contracts are sent securely, professionally, and with a clear audit trail, simplifying the entire process for you and your clients.